Hi guys, I hope you're keeping well. In this video I'm just going to do a quick breakdown of the USD pairs. I'm going to show you how I do a top to bottom analysis from the weekly to the NG time frame at M15. First of all, let's get started. Before you look at the USD pairs, you need to look at the dollar index, the DXY. This tells you where price is going for the USD pairs. If DXY is going up, USD pairs are going down. Remember that. DXY goes up, that means USD pairs are going down. And then if the DXY goes down, you know that the USD pairs are going up. So remember, always negatively correlated. So if Dixie goes up, USD pairs go down. If DXY goes down, USD pairs goes up. So we always use this as an indicator when we're trading with the USD pairs. It gives us a good indication where price is going. So what you want to do is on the weekly time frame, press here W. You want to track the price between two levels. So you've got a support and resistance. So I can see we've got a resistance here. This is where price changes from bullish to bearish, and you got a support here where price changes from bearish to bullish. You then go into the daily time frame and you want to do the same thing. You want to trap the price between two levels. Here I can see clearly there's a support where price changes from bearish to bullish, from down to up. And what I want to do is I want to change this to red, so I know that is the daily zone. And then I know there's a resistance here. So you've got the two levels, and then you go into the H4 time frame and you do exactly the same thing, trap the price between two levels. But what I like to do on this time frame, I like to use the Fibonacci retracement tool. So I can get it from this higher low to the most recent higher high. And change that to yellow. So now I've got the two levels here. I know potentially where price is going next. So price, because it's made a higher high, price is looking to be bullish. But as you can see, let me just get this out. Because you've got a candle wick here, price could potentially go to this level and retrace down to this H4. So if it does, if DXY goes down, that means the USD pairs are going to go up. However, it could breach this resistance, use it as support, and go to the daily level. So what we need to do is we need to wait at the moment. There's no clear indication where price is going. So then if we go into the USD pairs, you see that's my analysis from last week. So I'll clear this and I'll start it from scratch. Remember, you always start on the weekly time frame. So now we're on EURUSD. If you start on the weekly time frame and you trap the price between two levels, so here I've clearly got support and resistance. So you've got two levels. As you can see, price is moving between these two levels. It has been doing that since what date is that? Since December. So for the last 3 months, price has been respecting these levels. So it's a good indication of where price is. Remember, you always want to trap the price between two levels. So now you go into the daily time frame. Get your squares out, this tool here, rectangle, and here you got resistance, and change that to red. And where's the most recent support on the daily? Let's say here. So price is at a daily level at the moment. It can either go up from here or down, but looking at the daily candle, it looks bearish. It looks up, it's potentially going down. And if it does go down, it'll go down to this level here. You then go into the H4 time frame, and you can do the same thing here. So you got a lower high here. Price is bearish on the H4. Change that yellow, and you've got support there. So price between the two levels. If you go into the H1 time frame, which is your intraday time frame, You then want to trap the price between two levels further. So you get this Fibonacci tool. Because it's Monday today, we're looking at Sunday's last week's price action, which is Friday. And you can see price went from this level here, lower low, to this lower high here. So what you can do is trap the price further between these two levels and change it to blue. So if I know price, once price goes to one of these levels, I'm going to look for a trade on the intraday. If you look at the daily, I can put the daily here. I can put this daily here. It's the most recent lower high. So as you can see, price is close to the daily level. If price gets close to this, this would be my setup. My stop loss would be underneath this lower low. My TP would be this H1 region. You're looking at a 1 to 3 trade with 30 pip win and an 8.59 pip stop loss. So what we need to do is we need to wait for price to retrace to this region here, and then look for a trade. But again, this coincides with the DXY. So if the DXY gets close to this region here, and then it goes down, we know if price goes down, remember EURUSD is going to go up to here. So we just need to wait. That's all we can do now. So we're waiting for price to potentially reverse. If DXY reverses, then the USD pairs will go up. Same for GBPUSD. I'm not going to do a full breakdown from the weekly because you should know how to do it now. Look, I've trapped the price between two levels. Look at the daily. The daily is here. This is the most recent resistance. You go into the H4 time frame. As you can see clearly, you've got a support here and resistance. It's still respected. It's still within the two levels. You then go into the H1 time frame. You get the Fibonacci tool out. And you can see price is in a consolidation, it's in a range, it's in sideways at the moment, so it's difficult to make profit from it. But as soon as it gets to this resistance or this support, then we can look for a trade. But as you can see, let's use these levels here. I would usually use this level, but because it's in a range, I would just see what the following day was. So this is Thursday's price action, and then I've got my support and resistance. So again, similar price action to the EURUSD. 10 pip stop loss. If price comes here in this region, I'd look for a buy. And there you go. There's your setup, guys. I hope you enjoy this quick analysis of how to trade the USD pairs. Remember, you always start on the dollar index. So we're looking, if it's close to support or resistance, that would indicate where your USD pairs are going. Like, share and subscribe, guys. See you soon.